Welcome to another Arizona Airgun Hunter adventure. Today, I put the AirForce Condor accuracy to the test with 50-yard headshots on Eurasian Collared Dove. I'm shooting the JSB Exact King 25.39 grain pellets. At 887 feet per second, the JSBs deliver pinpoint accuracy for my AirForce Condor. I have slowed the motion in this video so that you can see just how accurate the AirForce Condor is a little better. Again, these shots are occurring at 50 yards. I'm set up on a couple of hay bales, 50 yards from the tree. Some of the shots may occur a little closer, while others occur a little further. After taking a clean headshot, this guy flutters around just a little bit and expires shortly thereafter. This shot occurs over and under the wires, and it's a clean headshot. Down it goes. This guy takes a shot just to the front of the face. He flies up and out of the screen, and then he goes down. Let's see that shot again. Nice. This is one of the best shots of the day, right over the top of the twig into the side of the head. Contact. Down it goes. Now I know some are wondering, did you miss? Of course I did. Here's a clean miss here, right over the top of the head. Watch as he flinches as the pellet passes over the top of his head. Let's see that shot again. My follow-up is a clean skull buster. Peels his cap. With the pellet in flight, he flinches a little, but not enough. Contact. Down it goes. Here we are with the headshot shimmy. This next shot is another clean miss. However, it's a clean kill. Let's see that shot again. As you can see, my crosshairs are lined up on its neck, and that's exactly where the pellet goes, severing the spine, and down he goes. Here's another miss, but clean kill. This dove was a little further than expected. Let's see that shot again. My crosshair alignment is perfect. However, this guy was on the back side of the tree, a little further than 50 yards, and the pellet drops a little low, right into the neck, killing him instantly. This guy lands on the wire just in front of me to the left. He's about 40 yards out, and I take him with a shot to the side of the head. This guy was on the back side of the tree also, a little further than 50 yards, so I held a little high, and boom, right into the head, and down he goes. Here's another 40-yard shot. He's sitting there unsuspectingly, and I take him with a clean headshot right to the back of the dome, peels his cap. Here we are again, folks, with the headshot shimmy. This guy takes a clean shot to the side of the face. Down he goes. This guy is sitting on the wire right at 40 yards, looking the total opposite direction, and I knock him right in the back of the head, and down he goes. Well, there's no shimmy from him. This dove is at 50 yards, and I knock him right in the back of the head. He goes up, back, and down. He too has lost his shimmy. This guy gets knocked right in the side of the dome, and he goes down, straight down. And this, my friends, is the last shot of the day, right to the side of the dome. He gets hit hard, and he does the shimmy very well. And there he is, folks, shimmying. Now, as you can see, the AirForce Condor is a very accurate rifle. I have done some modifications to it. If you tune into some of my other videos, you will see the upgrades and modifications that I have done. Also, stay tuned for my upcoming video where I share several tips on what I have done to help make my AirForce Condor air rifle more accurate. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for upcoming videos.